Welcome to Tech Diet. Let's dive into our today's problem, divisible and non-divisible sum difference. It says you are given a positive integers n and m. We need to define two integers num1 and num2. Num1 is the sum of all integers in the range 1 to n that are not divisible by m. Num2 is sum of all the integers in the range 1 to n that are divisible by m. We need to return the difference between these two summations. So let's simulate this scenario. We have n is 10, m is 3. So from range 1 to 10, what is the numbers which are divisible by 3? We know it's 3, 6 and 9. So we need to calculate those integers which are not divisible by m and then minus which are divisible by m. So from 1 to 10 the sum would seem like something like 2, 3 plus 4 till 10, and we need to subtract the sum which is divisible by 3, which is again this is 3 minus 6 minus 9, and this initial sum should not have the numbers which were divisible, so we can again subtract them. So this will be our output. So for that, what we can say, this is like sum of n numbers plus 2 times into 3 or the given m, the sum of numbers which are divisible by m in that given range. So in this we have just 3 numbers which are divisible by in the range 1 to 10. So those 3 numbers will be 3, 6 and 9, that will form it, and minus twice 2 times initially ones from the summation of first 10 numbers, and then we minus the summation of the numbers which are divisible by 3 minus the summation which includes those number itself. So that will be our approach. So let's try to code it up. So we need to find this k, which is like number of integers that are divisible by m, and then the sum of these k will be k into k plus 1 by 2, and then sum of n will be the given n multiply n plus 1 by 2, and then we can simply return sum of n minus twice the given m, this sum of k. Let's try to run it. So it says 19, 15 minus 15. Let's try to hit submit. It is accepted. Yeah. Thank you.